Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you something very different. Today I'm going to teach you the technique of decoupage. Decoupage is nothing but getting a paper design onto your surface is called decoupage. So today I'm going to do decoupage on coasters. Now you will see how interesting and intricate it is. Decoupage is easy, but it has to be done very carefully. So I will show you how to do it. Let's get started.
This, as you see, is my previous project of decoupage coasters. I've used a peacock feather tissue and I've made these. You can use both sides. This is a set of 6 coasters. We also have a set of 4 and 2. So today what we'll be making is a set of 2 coasters. Materials that we require are the 2 coasters that you want to decoupage on, a decoupage 3-ply tissue paper. Then we would require a glue and sponge brush to apply, and I will also be using gesso for giving the base. You can also use white paint. Just take and start dabbing it fully in front and back. Once you're done with the base, let it dry for about 15 minutes in the sun. Once the coasters are dry, you can then start the process of sticking your tissue. So this is a 3-ply tissue and this is the design that I'll be using. So first I would just check as to how I want my design to be on the coaster. Since it's an Eiffel Tower, I would want the tower to be seen as much as possible. So I'm just placing the tissue diagonally. So with one tissue we could do 4 coasters, but we require only 2. So cut your tissues. So I will be using Mod Podge. You can use any PVA glue for applying on your coasters. You could use any brush to apply the glue. Always remember, don't apply too much of glue. Too much of glue would create a lot of air bubbles when you stick the tissue. So you need to peel out the extra ply and just keep the design tissue and stick it on the coaster very carefully and very neatly. How I have glued, please be careful when you stick it on the coaster, as there shouldn't be any air bubbles. Once you stick it, press it down with a very soft hand, and from center you have to press it down outward so that all the air bubbles are vanished. You can cut the extra sides. After cutting down, keep the sides very safely, as you can use them later as well, as they have design on them. Apply glue on all 4 sides and press it down with a very light hand so that it gives you a very neat and finished look. You could cut off the extra tissue, or you could also use sandpaper and sand the extra tissue on the sides. It will give you a very nice, neat and finished look. Once you're done with applying the tissue, very lightly start applying a coat of glue. Do not apply the glue too much, as it might tear your tissue. Repeat the same for your second coaster. Let your glue dry nicely for quite some time. We still do have edges of tissue paper. You could give another coat of white paint and it will give you a neat and finished look. Our coasters are now ready. I hope you liked the video. Please do share, subscribe and comment if you tried this at home. Thank you.